Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video you'll be watching me paint this watercolor painting, and this is such a beautiful project to start with for beginners and even those who are quite advanced. In this painting you'll just be manipulating different colors and having fun with it. You don't have to do the exact same thing. You can try out different colors, whatever your favorite colors are, see what colors go well together. Anyway, I have started with real-time version of this for the first minute so that you can see how fast you have to work with watercolors for those of you who do not have any experience working with watercolors. And once that is done, I've sped up the video. So just have fun with it. You can change the foreground to anything. You can draw an owl or a camel or anything you please. So just have fun with it. And if you'd make paintings like this on any of my social media or email it to me, and I'd love to see them. I have been rethinking several things with respect to my art, and I'm doing several new paintings, and if you want to keep up to date with everything related to art that I'm making, just head over to my website and sign up for my newsletter. I send beautiful emails which include a lot of useful information, lots of discounts, and many things you'll really appreciate. If you also want to keep up to date with my daily painting activities and know more about me, all you have to do is head over to my Instagram and check it out. I do post interesting content over there, so all the links are in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.